Okay, we're going to work on our mouth here. And I've marked this because when you have it in here, you see I've marked it down here. So we have to take some of this out so we get the mouth to open and close, because right now it's going to hit there. So we're going to take out in here so we get it to where it'll open and close better. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate that. Got to change the head. The mouth is the most important part, getting it to open and close and not catch. So that you really need to take your time on, make sure everything's fitting properly, that you get it to open and close. see we've taken a lot out in here. So now when we hook our spring up, we should have plenty of plate to be able to open and close the mouth. So we're going to work on that next. And then we'll be back. Thanks for watching.